Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Hello to you. How are you? Now, um, we have already been going through a series of these videos, and this video is called How to Use the 10K Total Profit Target Part 9 Revised. Okay, so revised, of course, it means that there are previous videos, but we've redone them, re-recorded, but it's not exactly the same as before. Basically, you could say I have no idea what the other ones had in relation to this, but I know it was important because it's talking about how this works, how this EA works. So the good idea would be to watch them all. They're not, don't want to make them too long. They're bite-sized pieces, you could say. Okay, so we've had some good news, whereas we've had a trade. The trade was placed. For the total for the day, we had 12.5 points. At first we received 9.6 points, and then I wanted to show you this, and I wanted to set this to what I normally set it to, and I'm going to set this back to 12.5 for tomorrow. Okay, 12.5. So I'm going to click OK. So click OK, and that should go through. Oh, watch this. Before I do that, I'm going to click over here on this smiley face or sad face. Notice it's a sad face. So sad face means the program shut down. So today, when the total profit target, when our manager managed our trades and got us out the trade with a profit, it shut down the total profit target. So I went to a sad face, which means it's now closed. And it also shut down this EA here. Okay? But I want to show you something, but I'm going to go into this tab here, common, and I'm not going to allow live trading. If I go into allow live trading, oh, I think we're safe. We are safe. I can go back to allow live trading. Sorry, I can click on OK, because if I switch on auto trading here, for instance, it should say the time is no, hold on, nope. I thought it was already after 4:30. Nope. So I'm going to switch this off quickly and OK it. This should now change to none trading time or so. Okay, should do. Let me just have a revisit in here. Over here, I'm jumping around now a little bit, but over here, this has a time which is set to, where is it here? Ah, here we are. Pardon me. Scroll up. There. It starts. We set this EA, this for the Germany, the DAX, to start at 7 a.m. in the morning. So 7 a.m. in the morning in the UK is actually 8 a.m. in the morning in Germany. They are European time. They're 1 hour ahead of us in the UK. So let's set it for 7 a.m. because good things happen at 7 a.m. and there's not so much noise at 7 a.m. between 7 and 8 a.m. When it gets to 8 a.m. there's noise, the markets move wild. But you could say, this is this little sneaky tactic, you could say that at 7 a.m. whereas 8 a.m. in Germany, many people already awake, already trading, looking to get their points profit or their pips profit before it really all kicks off. Okay, so this is 7 a.m. to 4:30. So come 4:30, what would happen normally is this EA was shut down, would not trade. It's a non-trading time. So let's just do this for example. Just jump onto this a minute. The time now is 3:39. So let's put the time to 1400. So we definitely know we are past 1400 hours or 2 o'clock for those of you who do not know what 1400 is. Okay, click OK. And I can even switch this back on again, allow live trading, click OK here, and a few ticks up and down should change this. There we are. So a few ticks up and down, which means movements here, let's change this to say none trading time. So where you see none trading time, that means something's up. If you're thinking it should be trading, well, what you need to do is check your trading time. You've got smiley face. So the program is switched on. It's set on allow live trading. Take allow live trading off. Click OK. Goes to sad face. So if we see non-trading time and you think you should be trading, it's either you got the times set wrong, incorrectly, or it's not switched on to allow live trading. So we can switch on allow live trading. We can go into inputs on the EA. This is slight digression. We can go to the time. We can put the time back to what we like, which is here we are, 4:30. In this case, 16:30. So 24-hour clock we use. Okay. Now we want to click OK, but we don't want to place any more trades because we've already hit our target. But I want to show you a couple of things. So I'm going to put this, go back to Common tab, click on allow live trading, take it off, click OK. So it should still be non-trading time because actually it should come back on. Here we are. Yeah, that's right. It's come back on, but it shouldn't trade because we got the allow live trading switched off. So click OK. No trades will be placed, so we're safe to look in here again. Okay. So back over here, what I want to do is make some changes. So where we set this for 3 to get that last remaining 3 points without having to, last remaining 3 points. But anyway, I'm going to change this to 12.5 for tomorrow. So now this is what we like to use for the DAX. 12.5, which equals 12.5 times 4 equals 50. That's equals 10 points a day over 5 days. But if you can even afford to take Fridays off as well. But if you do the additional Friday, that means you get 62.5 points, which is very nice. This is a stop loss, which is 12.5 times 3, 37.5. This is auto trading time, which matches the time in here. This here set to true. This is like a scalping. I mean, basically, not so much scalping. We just want to make sure if it's going to go in our favor, we want to at least lock in 3. And if the markets continue to go up, we want to, we're locking in 3. We set the trail stop, the trailing stop set to 3, and we want to trail it 1 point behind because when it gets going, it can really get going. And we don't want to miss out on any trades or any points, that is. So now I set this in preparation for tomorrow. Click OK. I'm talking so fast, aren't I? And that's it. That's all ready for tomorrow. So now, wait for this to change a bit. Should populate. That should change now. Yes, see that? It's changed to 12.5 in readiness, in preparation for tomorrow. That's all I'm going to show you here for now. Okay. It's like, imagine, you're playing around with it, but this playing around with it business is actually making you money. Okay, so learn to play around with it. It makes you money. Remember, you can use this as a standalone program, or you can use it with our EA. You can join the course. But I'd say to you now, we're thinking, learn what you see in the YouTube videos first. So by the time you get into doing a course, you are well ahead of the game. You know exactly what to do, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so that's all for now. We shall be back soon. Thank you.